Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to color a table raw in Microsoft Word document. So let's started. At first open your Word document file. Firstly then I show Word document. In this video I will show that table raw from the color. Now going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click on the table. Then then character table, insert from the table. Now select from the any row option. Now for select, then going to the shading option. Now for click, then choose color. Then again another row. Now for select. Now going to the shading option. Then click for the choose color. Now for select. Then click select from the another row. Then apply from the same process. That's it. Then I show color table raw in Microsoft Word document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.